Good morning, subscribers. Welcome to the daily pre-market analysis. I am Brijesh Bhatia. Starting with the FOMC, yesterday the street was expecting a 75 basis point hike, and it was exactly the same. So now the Federal Reserve rate is around 3 to 3.25%. It was more of in line with the street expectations, where people were expecting 75 basis point. But most importantly, the commentary was hawkish. We saw the downgrade in their GDP estimates while revising upward the inflation outlook, which is slightly street was expecting that there could be some recovery commentary, but this has kicked off the selling pressure again. Though after 75 basis point hike, we saw markets been recovering post the hike, but the commentary during the closing time, it again have seen a selling pressure coming, and we have seen Dow Jones closing around over 500 points downside at around 30,184. Importantly, it's just away by 2% from its 52-week low. So if I just go on to the Dow Jones chart over here, and if you look at this Dow Jones chart over here, we have seen the closing at the lowest level over here, and the 52-week low is somewhere around 29,653. So we will need to watch if this close is being sustained or not. If I just keep a watch on the SGX Nifty, which is indicating in line with the global markets, down by around 140 points. We closed at 17,730. We are opening at 17,757. So nearly around, I would say, 150 points down onto the Dow Jones, onto the SGX Nifty. So if I just look at the Nifty chart, what to look at in today's session. If I just look at the broader picture over here, we have been consolidating right in the range over here for nearly a month now. So we made a high of 18 August, and we are back on the 22nd of September. So it's been a consolidation zone between 18,000 to 17,000 range, where market has been consolidating. So you can term it as a time correction or probably a weakening of a trend. So weakening of a trend could be only confirmed once we break this low 17,166. So we have seen multiple lows around these levels. If I look at the higher lows of 17,429, will be very crucial in today's session. Though we are opening at 17,560, 570 level on to the spot, 17,400 levels will be a key important level to watch in today's session. So if in case we break these two lows, then only I think we may see a selling pressure coming into the Indian markets. Till then, the structure seems very time corrective, or probably I am not looking at the bearish scenario as of now till 17,100 is breach onto the downside. What could put pressure is the, if I look at the dollar index over here, dollar index have been seen a very up move in the yesterday's session. So if I just look at we have touched around 111.578, which will put pressure on USD INR, which so if I just look at the Indian rupee, we are breaking out of the triangle structure. So triangle is nearly July to September. So nearly 2 months of consolidation into the triangle over here, and we have witnessed the gap of opening over here. So it will be very important how it reacts around above 80 the INR today, and if the very momentum the INR depreciation continues, we may see a selling pressure coming onto the Indian markets as well. So it's just a knee-jerk reaction every time it happens when the dollar index heads higher, USD head higher, and that may put knee-jerk reaction on the Indian markets. Coming on to the bank Nifty, what levels one should expect here is, if I just look at this daily chart, if I just look at this daily chart, this bar is very important for me, because it was after a gap down opening. It's been consolidating over here, plus the previous resistance may turn out to be the support now. So I believe 40,200, 40,300 to 39,800 is not breach. I don't think that the major trend change may happen. we may see a consolidation over here before an resumption in the uptrend. Once we close below 39,500, that's where the trend change level on a positional side would happen. Till then, I believe every dip could be a good opportunity as a trading area. On intraday basis, I think I'll wait for first 30 minutes how these things are panning out, how the market breadth is following. Yesterday we saw some selling pressure onto the market breadth, but I still believe that the structure seems very bullish. And even if I look at the broader market of CNX 500, which is the Nifty 500, it's still into the higher side. So I don't think that the things are changing over here. So again, the previous swing lows will be very important to watch in today's session over here. So the lows of around 14,800 and 15,100 will be very important to watch in today's session, because the broader market still remain bullish over here. So keep a watch on today's session how things pan out at 17,500. 17,400 is a very important low. And in case there are some intraday opportunities, I'll post onto the Telegram chat. Even if you remember, I yesterday posted the gap area support when markets were trending around 17,767. Bank Nifty trending around 40,950, 980, and we saw a sharp recovery into the intraday side. So keep a watch on such charts or such levels when I post into the Telegram channel. Signing off and have a profitable day.